Okay, so I have all these little scrap pieces of metal that I'm gonna be using to make a little B. These are 2-inch. This is 2 by 1 or 2 by like ½ inch or something like that. I don't remember. But yeah, so I have all these pieces of metal here, and what I want to make is a little like a bee or a wasp of some sort. I don't know. Yeah, but yeah. So these are all the parts. I'm gonna be using a flap disc, a cutting wheel, and the wire wheels on there. I'm gonna be using that clamp just in case if I have to like hold anything down. And yeah, so let's get to it. Okay, so now all the pieces are polished, as you can see, even the nail somewhat or whatever. But yeah, so now I have to use the flapper disc and round off all the edges, or not yet, but I have to cut all the pieces out and draw them out. And once I have them all drawn out, then I'll start cutting them. Okay, it's a better representation, right? The wings, the little thing that the wings go on, the antenna, the face, the body, the stinger, and then these are the legs. I don't know if you can see it or not, but yeah. Yeah, so these are the wings, right? I'm gonna put those out. The legs, I'm gonna cut out. And I'm gonna cut this up there. So these are the ones that I have to cut, and the bee is basically almost done. And I'm gonna use this for scrap. So like all the pieces that need to go right here, I'm gonna measure that and weld it on there. Same thing here and here, and yeah, basically that's it. So yeah, let's get to cutting, and yeah. Okay, so I have my legs here. So the legs, the wings, the tail, or a piece of the tail, and then the body and everything else, and the thing that goes on top of the wings. And yeah, so basically we're gonna start welding now. So let's get to it. And then this right here, I'm gonna use this for extra pieces. So if I want to fill those gaps in on the back or anything like that, I could do it. And I could just use this metal or just like little pieces of scrap that I have, and yeah. Okay, so I have everything cut already, ready to go. All I have to do now is I gotta clean the legs up a little bit, and then so like before I put them on there so that I'm not struggling. So clean off the legs, and then these are the wings. This is gonna be the face, the body. So everything's basically ready to go. And then the legs, I cut 6 instead of just 3, but that's okay because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this little top piece off. So cut that off. I'm gonna just be left with 2 separate pieces, right? So those, I'm gonna tack those on here on each one, right? So all those go there, and these go here, right? So then it's gonna be a B, right? So it's gonna look good. So yeah. Okay, so I have the legs. These are gonna go on the tops, the actual legs itself. The bottom legs, everything's cleaned up. The body, the face. Well, I didn't clean this because it's gonna go on the inside, so you won't see it. So it's gonna be right here. It's gonna be clean, clean. The pieces for the top of the wings, or where the wings are gonna be mounted to. So they're gonna be like this. Okay, got both of the wings cleaned up. So everything's ready to go. Now it's just time to weld it together.